So I'll be showing you how to forward text messages to another contact on your iPhone. Now for this video, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones as well, and also the iPad. So go to the Messages app on your phone and then find the conversation that has that message you want to forward. So for instance, I'll go to that particular conversation and then find the specific message you want to forward and then long press on that particular message. Now once you do that, the message will pop up and you should see a little menu below the message. Tap on More to see more options. And then once you do that, you have the option to forward. So tap on the forward icon in the bottom right corner, and that gives you the message creator page with the message already set because we're just forwarding a message. So tap on the plus icon right here. That opens your phone book. Look for the person you want to forward the message to. Select. That person is going to be added there, and then tap on send. This upward facing arrow is a send button. So if you tap on it, that message is now sent. And then you can now tap on cancel to exit out of that previous message. And now you can see we've sent a message to this contact, the same message we were forwarding. And that's basically how to forward a text message on the iPhone. Now, sometimes this might not work for one main reason. You might be forwarding to someone who does not have an iPhone, maybe someone holding an Android phone. If it's an iMessage, then this might not work unless you have enabled text messages in case iMessage is not available. So to make sure of that, go to settings, and then under settings, go to messages, tap on it, and then scroll down until you get to send an SMS and make sure that is enabled. If that is disabled, then your iPhone will only attempt to send iMessages, which of course you cannot send to someone with an Android phone. So make sure send an SMS when iMessage is not available is enabled. Okay, this option right here. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.